who will see an ocean that will swallow him and will try to jump inside.
Okay.
Me, I love the pussy to be small. You know, everywhere should be tight and everywhere should make
so you
steam.
don't like the big ones?
I don't like the big ones at all. Oh, those big ones, when you enter, it's like you're swimming.
But are you married?
How can I be married? Do you send a ring in my hand?
You say uncle for whom say me ugly.
Okay.
Na me you ugly no sense me she mobusuafo ani munyam no. Me ko fa se be ma bi omne na ma bi keke. Me po ba wodi machi a even hu ne krampo no. Say we be ma ana we madam for krampo a wosin begu. Even me pese madam for kra twito wo me so. Chance me get no ho fedodo. Enti me pe ma o moto so se be oba no fo no pese munye.
Madam me share video bi. Na wo so pe ma o no fo no so so mat. Bi atie agu ni bi.
Mo me dem me ma mu for de e ma no fo ategu say.
Me ka so e ma o no fo atie agu tenten.
On do bepe na me kede. You there you like. Are you in my heart? But you tell me say me to
I like. Tell you for where?
I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes. 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 I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes.
Ebusia for your mama kwa babiem ede mo bade na Yas Adult Show so ya no ye show no unim se wano nteye na se wunim die na se wunim pratwe mu skills na wunim ntafuri mu a enya de a ye be ma kwan amoaba so ade wani ate e wo sa na ye ma we nyina mu eno te ne nsaka ma ferefo ene me sweetheart fo mi yenu bi wo ha se ya ye ne omo e ba be hwinsem apensem ne ya che ensem bia ye nte ye ho ase oh baby, we try me to see ya. Let me ba be your mother. Here the assessor. Fair. We try me to see. I was here for Mama Kwaba being Eddie Mobad and I asked Adult Show so I original yes one TV or YouTube. Subscribe, share, na like and a comment. Na when you want, Modia, na koso na share. Catch your new what if you say, money in a feeding every on front to here. And I answer can you have Michael and the show boy, the great Ewa, a show is so. The annual mobile church como, the episode almost say, a yes, sir, on it or bati. Now, ube dino 4 or 5 times a day, Anna. A day, upe so kunana. And I say, a and a quasso. I don't know, Anna. Show boy.
Mommy,
Papa will call you.
Uncle Fado.
Why a fresh? You
Handsome.
back. I said fresh. Why beautiful and
handsome?
Why handsome? Good. Michael, my handsome boy. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. And then your baby kasa say, a yes, I want your batty. Not a day. Ubedin 4 times and answer 5 times in Sunsan so bang anyone. A year and answer a year. Michael, your boss.
Okay. As for me, there when it comes to pussy, if the pussy is very good, honestly, I can go as much as I can.
More than 10 times or 8 times?
No, not like 10 times, but at least maximum 5.
Are you serious?
Yeah, when the pussy is good, you know. But when the pussy is not good, one round I'm done.
Okay.
And when I'm done, I will excuse you. But when the pussy is good, I can.
Hey,
go as much as I can.
I was here for high do. Michael said already so nya twa no na se twa na de ye okoba ko na se ede de a wo be kwa be 4 or 5 times and sana wetimi agya wo ba ni mu ensem bebere enyiwa fidie ni mfiri a hide pa wo so no de onyo oba na ne twenum emu ode de a wo be di no 4 or 5 times a day. Show boy
Mommy,
yes wo ba wo na ti a wo be di na day 4 and answer 5 ana.
okay. As for me, Sebi bodani kramp wodi na ho beba.
Okay.
Nti ubedi bodani ho beba no. Na se woni e bia yemfa se o girlfriend e hyedem. Na gay hu akono sentinam. Na se woni ne hyedem na se nye de se bi se yemfa se lockdown you kramp ba yi san se ye hyedem yi. Ah,
Edi nko a.
Edi nko a.
Okay. It ends a day with me how many?
Oh, a day. On say your sex you ma o ye kra o feel say seconds no ba ni nchen kramp a wonti mentina.
Okay.
Any baby na say be wouldn't kana na we free nchen.
Okay.
But say ono oba bi te dem na say bia wo di no na say wo se di na wo di na ankasa na di ne original. Ah ma me. Even say oba no krampo say me try say me ma price. Say me ko 15. A day no, me to no ko 15. Say 15 ni krampo no oba no betan say twa price at me so. Me for 5 on count na 20. I'll go for you.
Okay. The show boy so say one dear. So we sure oba no and only oba ni meet with them. Na so oba no, or then they said them na ne ho akono ne ho ofe. Na say the church so the dia a day one dey was say enya nu dwa obetimi akọ 10-15 times a day. We sure say the show boy can you know credit. We sure so obetimi aye. O say no one say up na ho basa. Okay. Mama mi so etwe no ye wo de ede and ye wo de enye de.
The pussy, when the pussy is tight, you know, and when you touch your woman and she easily wet and the pussy is tight, definitely it's gonna be good. But when you put your dick inside the pussy and you shake like they swim inside swimming pool, the pussy there, it be totally true. Like people they enter, they come out.
Okay.
You understand? But when the pussy is tight and when you touch a woman, then you see say she wet give you like everywhere makes you. Then the pussy is sweet, and that will make you to go as much as you can. You understand?
Hey, and then it's in some way. Then I ask adult show. We didn't say on your daughter and share. Mikel said on the pussy no. A channel. So then the cotton is shame. Na say more dryer. Na say more hammer. No. A man who said a channel by day. The man caught more rounds. But so what the cotton is shame. That's what was a channel we use you. Na sentence who would dear. Any man who said a channel. A yadia a bed to come back. Hey, show. Na me patrol. So I didn't anything.
Okay, mommy.
Papa.
Me on. Me nam kra na me hu oba, me hwe wani ma metimi hu otwa ebo wani.
Okay.
Me metimi hu otwa ne size.
Okay.
Metimi steady hu otwa ne color like say ne be say as Lukafa.
Okay.
Enti no, hu say as a bema obema. Sabi wo feelings. Me say am ti wai. Na se me hia oba bia menim se bia oba na se so ana oba na se so. Sabi so mu kura mpo at least menya feelings oba.
Okay.
What I say. Enti no sometimes no oba bi wo no ma ho. Obabi wo hono ma ewo obema how obesi na da obe feel won say sometimes mema bi aka na obema we die oba we de na seso nti medi ne da won feel and ye oma bi won homo a se bi oma seso. Okay, you get it. Ena ye oma bi won ma oma se na ye de ache. Okay, se bi won omo doubt feel say as we dey say but omo ma seso no in a way bi wo hono ma on sometimes oba even say won ne nai oba o dwale wote ne ho kra ne se de na bia wo kwasense na aseso woni ne na kra mpo na woni ne to won ma ho how a obesima ye na bia obetima akrapo no. Okay, o mpaso no mami
okay, na show mami mi say obibi o ye wo etwe no unse etwe ne ye wo kese ne ye wo ketua na ojiri se kese no de emu so no ho no eno na eda na se de emu ye ketua na ede etwe ne bi wo ho no ma ye se de so no ebi ede de so no so nye de. Unse tokuro ne bi so pa. O
tokuro ne bi so.
Okay. Na we ready mi sa.
Mami e ka meeting ko a. Tokuro ne bi so. O tokuro ne tokuro ne.
I do. Show boy enade e o mama etensem. Wasi etwe ne bi ho a emu so pa. E bi ho rema e ka ne tinku a na ye bibi sa se de e ka ne tinku a no e ya okoso edi anase ofirim. Show.
Oh mami unse enti na me kan se bi mi bodani krampo no. Sebi unene da oba na ne da obi me be me na bodani oba na ho na ne da ho beba. Okay, so that yenti no sebi a me nya etwe na etwe ne so sebi etwe ne so na sebi a me di na sebi hu se show wo me mene a you know hu se oba ne me mpe unless ebi oba ne me mpe na bia me try my best me feel so na mako and if say me hu na me tan kwa me ma so feel so adwana ho but say yes say bia me pew na si a unim say sebi onipa by said the crown now bound by said the war if you have been drew one clamp up no man I won't do our no mamma when I'm hiding as you see
it also says oh poor bar over 2 boys and wash shima and I say be out me fa. Oh and yes be out me fa and dear me mean to go father can come and me fee. Okay, Debbie mini if you're company on say in the way say on as a bema on because also says here as a bema when you bar say be on say ye dey no be see news say we just ye pese ekodi keke. Okay, but se when your oba say on net na on say wo hwe oba no krampo na say bibi mistake bi on ho a on e say o ka kire oba no say bia oba no oh say ni ma hu oh me te sent. Okay, because me meeting mo wi ase me to on say me nsa market sim
me nsa man ketom me die bebe bia me kire
Okay.
me ametia me say me girlfriend mama even me ne ebi ma dada na ma like first na me date no me no wanyini che me
Okay.
wanyini che bebrebe ya me na mo no no nkyɛ sɛ bia nipa ne so ana bia nipa ne so nti na se so ana bia nipa na se so ntu ni neti o how obesima treatment wo be ma no kwapo no treatment bia obedi be ma oba na ma oba na mu sisi
so me no ba won say Mikel me ba o on say e ma ne bebre ti me ka say me pekote yesu kote yesha e be say me hu say e mema no so mo pe etwa etwam ni bi ho no say so mo pe ma etwa eso e na etwa isu atokro no
oh wow me interesting e wo check keto ho because me timi ko interesting wo check ese ho mami e die ntira na akra keto a mako fa e check ese na me o chena nkombetiam sa afro
I just the laugh.
okay Mikel
oh that
is mama.
okay macho wanu esi ana
mami manu si ba e check ese die me tumi nua fu se no en fa check ese
Mikel o so ajin check esi etwa no ebi o wa eson na me so ba tokro ni so na de bi so ho no ma etwa no tokro no etwa no so ba tokro no eson me pa cho wo ye interested ewo etwa no tokro no kase na na say kitwa no
Don't follow a madman who is saying away. Who will see an ocean that will swallow him and will try to jump inside?
Okay.
Me, I love the pussy to be small. You know, everywhere should be tight and everywhere should make
so you
steam.
don't like the big
I
ones?
don't like the big ones at all. Oh, those big ones, when you enter, you check like you're swimming.
but
Yeah,
are you married
how can I be married? Do you send a ring in my hand?
I was here for higher the year pa me twa me ho agin krato abasesi ya me ba meto aso ama mo weda
I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes.
Ebusia for mama kwa baby edimoba then yes adult show eso koswa na your YouTube channel no original your Spon TV subscribe it like it na share ja comment enye ntokwa kire waje nkire e wase e mame na Mikel meba osu can you tell me the type of woman you want e wo wa brabo
That is very simple. The type of woman I want, I like my woman to be, I like them in Coca-Cola shape, you know. But at the same time, they have to, you know, have the front view and the back view. Okay. But when it comes to their body shape, have to be that Coca-Cola shape, you know, something that have matter and occupy space. You understand? So I love my woman in Coca-Cola shape. That is slim, but you know, you gotta have boobs, have the ass, then stuff, but flat tummy. Very important, flat tummy. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sure. But also bit me type of bar. Operias no biane the ope. Can you tell me how you want your woman type? I mean, you know, they make us what I say.
Mate de okana se na me type of ma me pe no. Me no on say me dikan ka che say me nipa bi a me nsam. Okay. So ata se na nipa bi a me hu ne se nipa bi nipa na me nim de me na me mfa insime no say type of bem oba say bi na me but me no me type of say kese ba me fa. Okay. Ketu aba me fa. Because me ma me wo me no nipa kese na papa fa no. Enti no na me ma me so hwe ne no ma okuta nipa kese wo hwe wo mo totoso. Akese akese fo no mo to. Ata se yo kese bi wo nkra mpo ase bi o. Seremon twa no. So ata se enti me say ketu aba o kese ba o me fa me nsam.
Sure, what utaleke oba, waleke oba asida.
Oh, oba asida me leki bi da but me de na me no chen leki.
Okay. Umfa wanu mo baby
ya. Fa manu we yin se da mo ba twe mu da.
Okay, Mikel, also umfa wanu tafri twe bi mu da.
Oh, I have licked before.
But what leki, have you licked menses before?
What a sophisticated question. No, I have not.
How you talk there? It's your job.
I have not. It's my job. How is my job?
I can see.
Okay, Mikel. Dear na oba ebe ya ma ana obe hu oba ho pa e ma wo mfa oba na chi unchiti won e.
it's only two things.
Okay.
Respect and good sex.
Okay.
Yeah. When you give me the maximum respect I need as a man, and you satisfy me on bed, forget it. Yeah, I will cheat on you.
I heard Mikel say, or not dear, say any man you know I'll be who or bound, and as will be your bound, a man in front of you, a good sex, any respect. So when you're sanny man, Sunny out TBA, or better now. Nay, no cress idea, shall comment for mammy. Okay, show. A dear never ma when who or bound. A be your fee. Everyone wants to know when I won't find it, you won't teach you on here.
Okay, mammy. On so human, so won't me, pa. Yeah. Mun say uncle for whom say me ugly.
Okay.
Na me ugly no sense me shemo busu for any munyam no. Me go fa say be ma bi omna na ma bi keke. What I say me po ba wodi machi a even hu ne krampo no. So we be ma ana we madam for krampo a wose begu. Even me pesa madam for kra tutu me so. Chance me get no ho fedodo.
Okay.
What I say ti me pe ma o moto so say be oba bi won mo na even ne to je wakonwum half.
Okay.
What I say, Obusu ba fi krampa wo fa say otimi gina ho because of oyela dia konya ne half. People ba ne to so oba say be no nufu mo du. What I say.
The atia good.
What I say in fact mitini kura betima shem.
Okay. Tina say the one bi won.
Ah mami, on say bofre bi e fe na bofre.
So mami tell bi won say no for the wodi esun agina ho. Ene ye wodi ye wa. Ba wodi and they also pay the wa tenten.
On say o ma say ma kura wo e ma wo type bi. E ho no for no so mani gina mu sei. I say etia bi na se ginam.
Aha, na say be person bisa say e ma o say ye wonofo a ebi wo a uyi brazier na egina ho. Ebi so wa ate agu. Enti no ope de eso ate agu ni bi.
Oh no, anya de ate agu. Me mpe de ate agu. Mama e de mpesa me yede ya me anka se de mpesa me ga ne ye no. I say afini ye banwunu bi aba.
Okay.
Because oba no phone mpese mu je.
Bada no me share video bi. Na o so ope ma omonofo no so so mat de ate agu ni bi.
Oh. That's a good no. Yes. A mom for Tegu de, mammy. Mammy, them in Pema for the a man for Tegu say.
Make a mom for Tiago 10.
On the Bepe, none make it. You there, you like.
Are you my heart?
But you tell me, say me to
I tell you for where?
A man, no for 10 upon I said, you
mammy, 10 the already stammer me. A pedia would is one Evia comienu. What does I say Buchiano? Titifo Buchiano, some bonnet comians, like a whole ship.
Okay.
What I say, no food dinner. If you say, Brazilian company in one got a more special. What I say, buy in fact, or watch him or so chair me. What I say, the pedo minimum passo. What I say.
Okay, Mikel Patroshe, camera him na for final way, say, ba, every year, say a dear, near mammy, you know, be more bar one. A bet so Mikel, and my own furniture.
Okay. To my beautiful ladies out there, it's only two things for you to do for your man not to cheat on you. Like I said earlier on, it's respect and good sex. Forget about every other thing. Respect, when you give your man a maximum respect and you satisfy him on bed, forget no matter what, he will go and he'll still come back to you. So just respect and good sex. So if you're there, you're doing your body, oh, this, that, this. And if you don't have respect, you can't satisfy him on bed, forget it. You go shit sign, all that. So respect and good sex. If you have that, trust me, your man will be all yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please, your social media handles.
Okay, I have two. I have my personal social. I have two on Instagram. That is my social media handles. Instagram is official_Mikel Prince, and I have my business page, which is Adjust the Laugh TV, where we do comedy, skits, and all that. So you can follow up on these two Instagram, and Facebook is Mikel Prince Asante, and then Adjust the Laugh is also on Facebook. With Adjust the Laugh TV, YouTube Adjust the Laugh TV, so you can as well follow up on these social media handles, and then you catch me all over. Thank you.
Okay. It is my responsibility and it is your responsibility. Actually, my name is Showboy Ghana. Beautiful girls. With the advice I make, kakram the mamunya and say, "Unso oba sebi, oyo oba na unhunya fe, na sebi waseche krampo abema timiteka uso. Wati nkomanase oba o senti abema mintimintena ho. Ese odi nhuni. Wase abaya me mintimintena ho. Wati ase enti na ma nei sebi ubedwale. Obesisi hu yi. Ibi hu senti krampo ma bema obozo hu na or as wonwe obodi no. Ko perfume odi agu hu krampo chile. Wati ase enti no mu hu how mo besi ne mema ye de yatena. Enye sika. Wati ase but how you package yourself, respect, you know, in not about money and as you say, but how about man package you, respect what I say, but media, if about wonderful, de no for no de ho hia me because Mr. Dimi ma me hwe ma me type what e ma mfa bia papa di no ma mfa bia be me ya waja se ntin pese me di ma me ejapade ni bi nti no all right my social handles no so ye Showboy Ghana ko Instagram aye Showboy Ghana, Facebook Showboy Ghana, ko YouTube so Showboy Ghana TV. It is your responsibility and it is my responsibility.
Michael and Showboy, thank you very much. Send me to Safremo mobile nyamenshira mo pa erade nshira obibiara ai nyamenshira obia se ogusuna Oshede na Yas Adult Show. I follow ye ewo YouTube Original Yas One TV. Afe michia me husband Nana Safo Yankopon Insha me cameraman me DOP MTN everywhere you go. Yamishra opa. Afe me director Cassius I Isaac Ejapon Yankopon Shra. Afe Atukuba enya Atukuba ba koni bi we Original Atukuba Soundman Yami Unshra. Afe michia Reverend Obofo Prophet Pegata Maklo, Isaac Owusu Bempa, Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa. Afi michia abroche fonyina omo ehweme Germany for Hamburg to say America baby bia any Ghana fonyina obi bia odrome Yankopon enhira obia mediane Original Nayas One Makramo. See you there. Bye. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized.